Welcome to Skidax, the #1 hosting for Filipinos. We are an emerging company that offers competitive web hosting products at more than half the cost. We offer WordPress hosting, VPS, and domain hosting. Try Skidax. Switch, you'll love it here. Visit us on skidax.com.
Hello, Skidax.com. Welcome to the Skidax.com tutorial. Today we talk about how to activate the SSL certificate for our website, our WordPress website. So basically there are two steps. First step is to change the website URL from the HTTP. This is the default when we install WordPress. It's default to just HTTP, and we have to manually change it to HTTPS in the setting. Notice the S at the end. And then after that, we're gonna go log into the Skidax.com hosting server, and then it's just as easy as activate it as clicking a button. So let's go into it. I'm gonna log into the website. Alright, and we'll go to the settings, which is right here on the bottom. And right here you notice there are two places where it say WordPress address URL. Right here I already changed it to HTTPS, but make sure that you have to have the S at the toward the end of the HTTP. That's basically how the website notice that your website is secure or not. Alright, we are done with the first step. Make sure that you click on save. Alright, second step is go ahead and log into our Skidax, and right here we have that. Once we are in the client area, I think once you log in, usually it takes you to home. Just click on client area, or just up top right here. And then right here, you can click on hosting and then choose your hosting. But there's a quick way that you can access it. You can just click it right here. And from here, you're gonna scroll all the way down to the security area, and then actually we can move this around. Each of these plugin that you can actually move it around depending on which one you like to use the most. Let's say if you like to use the file manager more often, you might want to put it up all the way up top. But anyway, once you are at the security tab, go ahead and click on SSL. Here it has the options for me to remove the free SSL, or I can, if you haven't activated the SSL, the free SSL, you can actually click on activate the free SSL. Then it becomes regular HTTP unsecure website. Another way that I would highly suggest is once you already done the step 1 and you already done the step 2, you can actually go ahead and click on force HTTPS. That means that it's kind of make your website an extra secure, even if people trying to get you to your website from an unsecure connections. It will, it's telling the servers that, hey, I don't want to deal with that. And kind of force all of that connections to HTTPS, in case that some people found a way to make it not secure. Then this would kind of force that connections to make it secure. Now, if you bought an SSL certificate from somewhere, from us or from anywhere else, you can also install it here. So you just select your domain, and then just the certificate, the key, and then if you have the certificate authorization bundle, you can also do it here. Just click on install SSL, then you basically done. Okay, if you don't want the free SSL, you can always buy your own. Alright, that is how we activate the free SSL that came with the domain. I'm sorry, with the hosting when you buy a package from Skidax.com. Again, if you have any questions, any comments, please put it below. Let us know. Please share. And thank you for choosing Skidax.com, and we here at the Skidax tutorial and support team hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching, and uh, again, have a nice day.